Yeah, because of your video, my coffee also get cold.
Cold is better than for you.
Really? But this is hot. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's up guys? So, I have been meaning to try this cafe situated inside this former publishing compound. One of the cool cafes in KL in my opinion. It's called Pulp. So, let's get in. One thing I noticed here is how industrial this whole place looks like, but they added those warm wood colors which I think made the whole place look cozy. And those cakes? Oh, they look so yummy on display. Just looking at them made my mouth water. I like how they made their coffee look and feel handcrafted by their designs, the machines, and the coffee press. Ooh, ice mocha I think. Can't wait for the food to come. Let's do this. Lemon brulee tart for 12 ringgit. Ice latte, 15 ringgit. And flat white, 12 ringgit. 2 drinks and a cake for a total of 39 ringgit. I'm starting with the creme brulee tart. The crust is a little bit crumbly and the cream is really dewy. Let's find out how it tastes like.
Very tangy, lemony flavor and sweet at the same time.
Wait a minute, let's do that again. That wet, creamy feeling tastes so good, and that sexy, buttery crust just lingers in my mouth. The tangy lemon spices up the soft.
Can we see here?
Yeah, someone's here. Cheers. Cheers.
For the cheapskates out there, there's a free-flowing water for you to enjoy. Don't judge me, I'm thirsty. No wonder, this is the most popular drink here.
Actually, they're also selling some alcohol drinks.
Yes, I see.
Like, I have no idea where it's from.
We were seated at this old printing machine which is usually occupied. I guess we are lucky. This place also got books all about coffee and merchandise fit for a coffee fanatic which are on sale, but I'm not a connoisseur. And so the rain caught up on us, so we decided to get one more cake, a chocolate cake that is, which is better than the lemon tart in my opinion.
Mr. John came back to KL again. I squeezed my time, a little bit time for him. Yes.
That's so nice of you. That's what you call Malaysian hospitality.
Oh yeah, Malaysian is good. Especially Malaysian guys.
I will edit that one.
Cheers.
Cheers lah.
I like the ambience, great tasting coffee, love the cakes. Next time I'm in KL, definitely I will be back here.
Wait.
Why you want to hide? Your eyes.
My dark circle.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Give me some loving and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos.